So it's been a few days now since I posted the last cranberry bush picture, and as you can see, it got quite a bit of leaves on there since then. There was actually no leaves on here, and I posted that video, I want to say 2-3 days ago, and there was no leaves on there at all. And I come out here yesterday, and I seen it was full of leaves. So this cranberry, or blueberry, sorry I keep saying cranberry, this blueberry bush is doing really good. We'll probably end up getting 2 more this year and putting them in the back. There's another one here. So I got one for pollinating, and one for producing. So we'll probably come back with 1 more of these in the back and 1 more of these in the back. So we'll have a total of 4 of them. Or I might just go all the way with 5 and put 1 in the middle. And hopefully this year we'll have some blueberries back here. Because I love my blueberries. I eat blueberries once a day. So I definitely love my blueberries. But yeah, as you can see, man, this thing's doing really good. These things out my way. This thing is doing excellent. So like I said, this year we'll probably come with 3 more and plant them in the same spot over here. Actually, I might have to go with it in the front. I might have to put 2 right here in the front and 1 in the middle, because I forgot there is a tree right there. So it might be some roots. So instead of going behind it, we'll end up probably going in front of it. Right here, put 1 here. And we'll put 1 directly in front of this one. And then we'll put, so what we'll probably do is, we'll put producer here and a producer here, and then we'll put a pollinating one here. That way the pollinating one can get to the producers, and we can get some fruits this year, some blueberry fruits this year. So yeah, you guys want to follow up on that, or give me any advice on how to get these things more luxurious and bigger, just go ahead and give me a like, comment on the post, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe buttons. I need more subscribers, more viewers. So yeah, support Green Acre Farm. We will be here. We're working on growing, expanding our crop, and we hope to have you be a part of this journey. Thanks for watching. Signing out, Green Acre Farm.